Hey guys, a very good morning. Welcome back to another daily market outlook. So starting off here with EURUSD. EURUSD has pushed further in towards the downside, obviously, after seeing that internal break of structure over here. Remember, the overall swing is pretty much from this low in towards this high. So there is still room to move towards the 50% mark of that overall range. Now, after seeing this kind of like corrective structure in towards the highs, we sold off in towards the downside, breaking structure. Now, I'm still looking for further downside momentum. As the market is looking bearish for now, and there are two places where I'm looking for a potential short from. So over here we had a fractal break of structure in towards the downside. This was your supply zone, which broke that fractal low. So from here I'm looking for a further short position. Now if we break this overall fractal high, so the high of that doji candle, we could move a little bit higher, and then I'll also be looking for a short from this area of consolidation. Okay, so that's kind of like the game plan for EURUSD, short from here or short from here. Now moving onwards in towards the dollar index, what can we see over there? Well, dollar index has still a lot of built up liquidity above this high over here, which has not yet been taken out. So still waiting for that to get taken out. We've been seeing a pullback, obviously just in towards this range. So looking for a rise still in price, with this area of consolidation still being our main target on the dollar index for now. Going onwards in towards AUDUSD, a very aggressive sell-off in towards the downside still. I was looking for potential long after liquidating this swing low over here and coming obviously in towards this bigger range. However, we can see that there's no bullish momentum at all, right? So when you kind of approach a key level, you don't just randomly want to start buying or selling. You want to see a shift in the overall market structure, which then confirms that the market's ready to reverse for you. Okay, so still nothing here. If we just quickly go into the daily, what can we see over there? Then obviously we're in the lower range of this swing leg. So what I'm at the moment looking for is potential slowdown still. But yeah, nothing too much confirmed. Let's just wait and see what the 4-hour does with a potential pullback indeed coming into play. But we need to see a lot of structural development first. Don't want to try and catch a falling knife. More interestingly, pound dollar, what is going on over there? So we continue to sell off after coming in towards this doji candle over here. Very nice to see. Now what I'm waiting for, of course, is just further sell off in towards this main area on the 4-hour. This is sell for the buy. So just following the overall momentum. Again, this morning we came in towards this imbalance where we've tapped in and now kind of moving out of that imbalance, took out this fractal low. So still looking for a short from here. That is for me the main focus. Or we could pull up a little bit higher, for example, in towards higher imbalances, which are still untouched, and sell off from there. Okay, going in towards the daily real quick, what are we seeing? There is still room to fall towards a daily demand. Okay, so just keep an eye on that. Obviously we could pull back in towards, for example, the extreme over here, this daily buy before the sell candle still, but for now momentum is bearish, so let's just focus on that. Going in towards NZDUSD, what are we seeing here? So on NZDUSD, we have been falling further and further. So if we just remove overall the lines just to clean it up a bit, we can see as well as on Aussie dollar that NZDUSD is a falling knife, right, for now. Now, we're in daily area of demand. We have tapped in towards this 4-hour area of demand as well, looking for a pullback, but need to see a change of character first, right? We don't, again, want to start randomly buying, so I'll look for something like this, with this being a low, this being a structural high, and then like a shift until I take any trades. So a waiting game here on NZDUSD and AUDUSD. Going in towards gold, last of all, what are we seeing there? So gold, reversed from this area of demand after grabbing liquidity underneath these two lows. Now, we saw a change in character over here, all right, with this high, then straight away, bam, back in towards this sell for the buy, and from there we've been reversing. So very simple price action, can explain a lot and help you take those trades. Sorry, wanna go back. So yeah, keep that in mind. That gold is looking bullish for now, and there is still room to move up. This is kind of like a key imbalance level, which we need to break through, and then definitely, in my opinion, we'll be heading towards 2450 if we can break that area of supply. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. Wish you a fantastic day and speak soon.